Hi guys, today I'll show you how to gather all of your YouTube videos, titles and captions, except shorts of course, and store them into a Google Sheet page. So I'm using this structure where I collecting posts, categories, media text from my WordPress blog, and I created new page called videos and we'll be using it. Let's go. For your convenience, I created this template for this structure that we needed, so feel free to use it for quick start. Let's have a look closely at this flow. So I'm starting with manual trigger, then first action, I'm using this API method to connect to YouTube and get my channel ID. So it will be here in this JSON. Next, I'm creating some variables, items per page, current page, playlist ID. So I'm using this JSON ID from previous node. Here we are, uploads, execute, and we're having this structure. Next, we're having this loop. So here I am increasing a variable. Current page is 1 and keeping playlist and per page to the next steps. Then we're using this API method to get a plot from our channel. So here we are. All the videos are here. Let's go. Then we need to split it out to work with all playlists separately. Then we're updating Google Sheet page. So I'm using this file, all the web expert pages, here, and videos list here. So map each column manually, and I selected YouTube ID column here to match all my data. So first that I'm doing, I match this YouTube ID from previous node and publish it, and that's why that's the way how I getting the data and ID of all my videos. So here we are, no new videos here. So that's why no updates in this table. Then I'm collecting ideas here from previous node. Here we are, and checking if this is the last page or should I go on one more round here. But we're having per page 15, so the videos are less than 15 here at my channel. So we're going to the next step. Then previously I deleted this data for first video. For example, if I leave it here, so this node will be empty. But for demonstration, I clean the cells and we're going to the next step. Our next step will be checking this data if JSON is correct. For example, I need this condition just to clean video list from shorts here. So we need to get video details. So I'm using this query, YouTube with 3 videos. And here we are, description, thumbs, text, title, all that we need to collect this information. Then split it and update posts. So here will be some cells filled. Let's check. So we're collecting this data from YouTube and no need to ask YouTube API every time that we need this data. So we're having it in our Google Sheets and ready to work with. Let's collect captions. So next step will be get captions ID using this API query. And if we having some data, we gathering captions using this query. Here are our captions. And finally, updating our table with captions. I hope this video was helpful for you and you'll keep your YouTube videos organized and you'll be fine with YouTube API limits. Bye bye.